Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review, and right now I'm not going to be reviewing Udta Punjab. This movie has consumed me whole, and for about 2 hours after leaving the theatre, I was incapable of speech. But now I'm going to try. Now, this movie has been spoken about an unhealthy amount over the past couple of months, controversies galore. But now that I've seen it, it all makes sense. Why somebody would demand 89 cuts, why they would want an entire song sequence to be pulled out of the movie. It makes sense now. Because this is the truth, and you can't handle the truth. The drug menace in Punjab is not a new story. It's been spoken about for years. But like a distant cousin who's slightly weird and doesn't bother you directly, the rest of the country has completely ignored this problem. You and I included. Udta Punjab brings it to the forefront. Inspired by real life and yet fictionalized, this is the mirror that we needed to see, and boy is it murky. The movie begins with a discus-throwing Pakistani sportsman tossing a packet of heroin across the border, which is just a subtle nod as if to say that the menace is equal on both the sides. No reference is ever made to Pakistan in the whole film. It's not required. Cops are seen thrashing mercilessly a hapless truck driver who with pleated hands is begging over and over again, "Nahi saab, main India ko nahi bananga Mexico, main nahi bananga Mexico saab." Because even in the heart of things, even while staring death and decaying human life in the face, this is not a problem that India deals with. ये तो foreigners की problem है. India में थोड़े drugs होते हैं, Mexico में होते हैं. A rock star whose bad influence on the youth of Punjab, a Bihari daily wage working girl, a bribable cop, a doctor with a heart and mind in the right place, all four of them get involved with the drug mafia knowingly and unknowingly. What follows is a fall into a bottomless pit because that is how deep the rabbit hole goes. Shahid Kapoor, in a performance at par with Heather, is crazy and plays the part of Tommy Singh to perfection. He snorts coke, raps about coke and his genitalia, gets into street fights, races cars, and yet when he's faced with his own mortality, he realizes he really can't do anything on his own.
जो निकल गया ना, वो तेरी लाइफ का सबसे अच्छा टाइम था. वापस नहीं आना. बाल खत्म, पार्टी ओवर, गो होम.
मेरे साथ suicide करेगी is going to haunt me forever. Diljit Dosanjh has successfully Diljitoed of the entire country.
Oh, Paramatma. Oy, oy, oy.
And it is so amazing to see him make such a solid Bollywood debut. His earnestness as a cop stuck in a corrupt system but wanting to change it from the inside, even though it means going against his own very powerful family, is so endearing, and you're rooting for him from the start. Kareena Kapoor Khan is so good as the lone voice of reason in this grim as hell saga.
जशनपुरा में जो हो रहा है उसका आइडिया है, अमृतसर का, तरन तारण का, पंजाब का है आइडिया आपको? दो अलग अलग ड्रग्स है जो सिर्फ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पे बिकनी चाहिए, पर आप लोगों की मेहरबानी है कि बनाने वाले ये कॉकटेल बना भी रहे हैं और बेचने वाले खुलेआम बेच भी रहे हैं.
She not just treats patients but also wants to actively do something about the drug menace, even if it means doing some detective work, if it's going to bring the perpetrators to justice. And Alia Bhatt. I have wiped Shandar from my memory, so we're not going to talk about that. But it is her performance in Udta Punjab that moved me to tears, gave me goosebumps, and kept me oscillating between these two emotions until I just couldn't stand to watch her plight anymore. She is tremendous as the Bihari worker who unwittingly gets trapped and yet doesn't lose the fight within her. She's in one outfit throughout the film, no makeup, dirt and caked blood on her face, nail paint chipping away, and yet she's the one who shines the most in this entire lineup. Udta Punjab is not for the weak-hearted. It has been given an A certificate, and rightfully so. There's cussing, sexual abuse, drug abuse, bloodshed, violence, and the most scary of them all, there's the truth. Now, Udta Punjab is a difficult movie to watch, primarily because the director Abhishek Chaubey has not sugarcoated anything, nothing at all. There are portions where you're lulled into a false sense that, oh, everything is going to be okay, and just as you relax, put your guard down, boom, he shakes everything up so vigorously, you feel like you're living in a snow globe. Amit Trivedi's music complements the narrative beautifully and rounds off the scenes, even the ones with lip sync, to perfection. Tommy Singh at one point yells, "Mera mojo वापस आ गया है, मेरा mojo वापस आ गया है," and I can't help but agree with him. Go watch the movie in a theatre. Please don't watch it online. The film deserves your love, it deserves your attention, and it deserves an audience. Please. भाई नहीं है तू, है? On a scale of 1 to 10, Udta Punjab is 89 कट्स मांगे थे सेंसर बोर्ड ने और फाइनली सिर्फ एक हुआ है, तो जाओ देखाओ, बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस विक्ट्री. Aronofsky की Requiem for a Dream देखी है ना? You liked it, disturbed you, made you cry, moved you. oh man, you have to watch Udta Punjab. But उससे पहले subscribe to Film Companion and get your film fix.